Got him.
Biggest fish of my life right
Wait.
here.
Oh, he woke up. Oh man, it's a nice one. Finally. Waiting paid off. For today's video, we're going to be watching Andy play this game.
All right, let's go.
Okay, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Okay, we are not in Northern Virginia. We're actually down in Richmond today. Water's a little bit high down on the James River. Was expecting it to be low, and we're gonna try some striper fishing, but change of plans, we're gonna be catfishing. We actually caught some bait from this pond, and it's in this bucket right here. So I just rigged myself up, a little setup of braid to a water bottle, to braid, to a swivel, 40-pound fluorocarbon, and I think it's like a 6-aught J-hook or something like that, to 11-foot rod, and just a big beef stick. Trying to go after some monster catfish. All right, ladies and gents, I got my bluegill right here, hooked through the nose because there's a lot of current, and we're gonna go and find some calm spots to fish. Woo, it's windy.
Are you ready, son? Oh,
Alright.
better be good.
All right, friends of YouTube, we have arrived to another spot because that spot was dead. Boom, baby, right there. You saw it. You saw it here first.
That's right.
This is Andrew Hong News. Thanks for tuning in. But we have arrived to one of my very OG spots. I fished, this was the spot I've caught my very first catfish on the James. So we're gonna go ahead and, whoa.
Did you hear that?
No, I saw, look. Set the drag.
This is a huge fish.
Is it? She don't even know, bro. Reel. Is he on?
Yeah.
Hey, first fish of the day. How's it feel?
It's
Really small? Hey, first fish though. Whoa, that's a beast. Holy Andy, chill out, okay?
Sorry, bro.
Calm down. Oh my God, so feisty. It's a channel cat. Hey, dude, calm down, okay? This is pretty inappropriate of you. Huh, hooked right on the bottom. Dang, this hook is sharp, pierced right through him. Let me get my pliers. Get off. There we go. There's your fish. You wanna hold it?
Hey, buddy.
Hi, puppy. If you just squish him, he'll become a flathead. You're curling him.
God, you can hear it. What'd you say?
What'd you say?
Oh, what'd you say? Sorry. No?
What you say to me? Ooh, feisty. That was like less than 5 minutes. Right, Andy?
Yeah.
Less than 5 minutes. Nice. And we got our bait back too, so let's see if we can catch another fish on the same bait. And next one's mine.
Yes, sir.
So let's see what today can yield. Okay.
Hey, rod.
Oh, really? True. Oh yeah, there's fish on here.
How big is it?
I don't know, about to find out. Oh, it feels good. I don't think it's big, but it feels good. It came off.
Really?
Yeah, it came off. Unless it's swimming towards me. Yeah, it came off. Dang. What? Gotta set myself up with some more bait. Ooh. He's on there for sure. There we go. Hooked up. Oh no. What? It came off.
What was it?
I don't know, dude. Did you hear the run though? Just recast this bad boy out there. We got fish on right now, ladies and gents. Let's go. Swimming towards us. Oh my gosh. Swimming so fast. Wrong way, buddy. I'm over here. Dude, this man's knocked. Oh my god, that was the craziest one. I wish I got on film. I didn't though. I think this one's a little more decent. Waiting paid off. Let's see here. What do we got? Ooh. Come in, baby. I want to see you. Oh yeah. There it is. There it is. Oh. Jesus. This blue cat. Oh man. Summer cats are so active. It's so fun actually. It's the best. He's doing that death roll. Oh, there we go. Got him. Got him. Got him. Ow. Oh my god. Ow. I forgot how much catfish chomps hurt. Ah. There we go. We got a nice, like, I think it's like a 15 pounder or something. Let's go, baby. Let's freaking go. Ow. Ow, that hurts so bad. Andy. 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 Catfish. He's really fat. It's like 15, I think. Ow! Look at that. I'm bleeding.
Really?
Yeah, I'm bleeding. He's cutting skin. Ow. Come on, you got it, girl. Woo! Look at her go. Nice. Andy's turn. Hey, hopefully you catch that 30 pounder. I wish you saw the run. It was like, I was staring and it was like, I was like, probably not a baby catfish. Is he on? Yeah, he's on. Is he? Oh yeah, baby. Keep tension. How's it feel on that rod?
Not bad. It's a new feel.
And once you get the braid in, it's gonna feel much better. Oh really? Yo, 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 yo. What? Dang. You know why you thought it was small? Because there was no fish.
I swear there was a fish. There was a fish on though, right?
Earlier. I don't think he was on though. That's pretty funny. You're like, it feels all right. We're gonna recast this baby. Yo, Andy, we'll get you on a 30 pounder. The main goal is to get Andy on a 30 pounder. Get that, get that, get that, get that, get that, get that. Oh, oh, oh my god. Yo, we're doubled up, Andy. Yo, Andy, we're doubled up. What? Yo. Yo, this rod is so big. Yo, I'm just horsing this fish in. Yo, this fish is tiny. Yo, we're doubled up. What the bites came at the exact same time. What? What? My line snapped. I can see my line right there. What the heck? No! Yo, I just saw the fish swim away.
How big was it?
I don't know. I just saw what? Why did my line snap? Yo.
What?
I'm triggered.
Why?
My line just snapped.
Hi, buddy.
What the? True? Gotta get a quick pick and release this fish and get back out there because this ain't close to the 30 pounder we're trying to get. Oh, oh, that's nice, Andy. Let's go. It's probably your PB.
Goodness.
How's it feel? How's it feel? Tell me right now.
This is This is big boy.
Yo, this is so cinematification.
Wait, what the? Please come through.
Why is it so lazy?
Is it a Goliath grouper?
Yeah, it's a Goliath grouper! Wait, it's cobia season. Wait. Wait, it might be like a 20 actually.
Really?
I can't tell. It's so lazy. Like it's just doing.
Is it a carp?
There's no, it's not carp. I saw a tail. Dude, a carp's not gonna eat a giant bluegill head.
Whoa. Oh, this is. Yo.
Wait. Oh, he woke up.
Yo.
He woke up. He woke up. What the heck? He just woke up out of nowhere.
Yo, is it like a?
Switch sides with me.
Wait, can you land it?
Yeah, I'm gonna land this boy. Oh my. He's going on another run.
Oh my god. Still not tired? Yo!
Yo, he keeps running after seeing us.
I am. My right arm.
Got it.
Yes, sir!
Got it. Got it. Woo! Oh my god, that might be your 30. 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 Yo, that might. Ow! Ow! Yo, how do you feel about your new PB right here? Like a nice 30 pounder.
This is 30, right?
Yeah, it's 30. It's every bit of 30. Woo! How do you feel?
Biggest fish of my life right here.
Dude, you look speechless.
I am.
We gotta take some quick pics of this and get a release on him.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for the fight, girl.
You got it.
Gotta love catfish. They always go off.
Oh, yes, sir!
Let's go! Boom!
That felt so good.
Dude, that's clutch. That was the last bluegill piece. All right, guys, our main goal of this trip was to get this guy on a big fish, but I thought that was gonna take like the whole day. Or we're actually gonna take a short intermission right now. All right, guys, it's part 2 right now. We're supposed to go fishing at night, but we went to a sushi buffet and we knocked out. And I'm super bloated right now. I feel like Santa Claus.
You are Santa Claus.
An old person has come back. His name is...
It's actually recording us?
Yeah. No, we got Justin back here. I think he was in my my first or second video actually. Here, just hold the spool, hold the spool. That's it, just hold the spool. Yeah, he's on, he's on. What the heck? Did you see that?
No. What, did he take off his hand?
No, he just...
Oh, it's kind of nice actually.
He just like, he went like crazy. He was like, Andy, if you go crazy, I'm gonna go crazy. You like it? Feels good. Be dominant. Ouch. Ah! He dropped it. Yeah, throw it. Okay, he landed like right on the shoreline.
He like bit me.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
Yeah, it came off. It's okay. He knows where it is now. He'll come back for it. He's gonna go on a run soon, I can feel it. Sigh.
That's what he put you on.
Yeah, this fish literally came, flicked. Whoa!
Oh!
I don't know. I can't tell. Same size as Justin's. Just, yeah, 90 pounder. He's just really active. No, this is even smaller. Yeah, it's even smaller. Look at this fish right here. Oh, look at that hook set right there. He's not going anywhere.
Bro, that one...
It's like in his brain.
How do you survive?
Goodbye, my son.